Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making giraffe paper hats. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, orange construction paper or foam, yellow construction paper, and scissors. First we're going to take the yellow construction paper and we're going to cut 2 thicker strips. I've already done mine. And we're going to make this into a hat. So we're going to glue the end. You might need to press it a little bit. And then obviously you want it to fit to your head. So you kind of make it as big or as little as you need, and then glue the other end. And hold it for a minute so it sticks. And then we're going to take the orange construction paper and we're going to cut spots. So just any way you want, just cut some spots to put on the hat. You can put them wherever you want. Make sure they get in the front more so people can see them. And they can be as big or little as you want. And then we're going to cut ears. And I made the ears yellow. And then I'm going to put a little part in the ear, an orange piece, to make it stand out a little bit. That way you get to see the ears better. And we're going to take the bottom and we're going to kind of fold it so that it stays better on the hat or the crown. And just press it down. It might take a little bit. I'm going to move this spot. Sorry about that. So my ear fits. And kind of try to match them up. And then we're going to make horns that are on top of the giraffe's head. And they kind of just look like this. We're just going to glue the ends. Just stick them in the front. Press down a little. Give it a little time to dry. And this is our giraffe paper hat. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.